You hit me up at 3 a.m. on a Friday night. Say you ain't feeling right. You need.
Hello humans! Ako ulit. So ayan. I just wanna guys show you something. So guys, bye hair. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin ko is obvious naman sa title, gagayahin ko yung lips ni Maymac. So if you wanna know how to achieve lips like Maymac or Kylie Versosa or Angelina Jolie, so keep on watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you wanna talk, let's talk about the way you left me with a text so cool. Yeah.
Kilala nyo ba si Maymac? Kung hindi nyo kilala si Maymac, start na kayong mag-search. Char! So, pag sinabing Maymac, ang unang pumapasok sa isip ko is yung kanyang labi. Kasi, di ba, kung makikita nyo siya, ang ganda ng lips niya. Katulad nung kay Angelina Jolie, Kylie Versosa, ayan yung mga idol na idol kong labi. So, yung lips na sinasabi ko ni Maymac is para siyang nakalutang. Full lips. Ayan, si Maymac. Diba? Kung makikita nyo, very full lips. Tapos, parang nakaangat yung labi, diba? And then, Kylie Versosa. And, of course, Angelina Jolie. Full lips. Plump yung upper and lower lip niya. Tapos, parang wala siyang cupid's bow. Pero meron. So, before you guys apply lipstick at alam nyo dry yung lips nyo, yung parang namamalat siya, better use a lip scrub and then sundan nyo ng lip balm. If you don't have lip scrub, guys, pwede tayong gumawa ng homemade lip scrub. All you need is honey and sugar. It's up to you, brown sugar, washed or white, whatever you want, as long as sugar. Tip lang guys, every time na mag-a-apply ako ng lipstick, nirarab ko together yung upper and lower lip ko like this. Which is wrong pala, kasi siya yung nakakakos ng dryness. So, I suggest guys, don't do rubbing your upper and lower lip when applying lipstick, especially when it's matte. Yun lang. So, sa akin ganun, hindi ko na alam sa inyo. So, if you're wondering bakit siya nagda-dry, ganyan, so why not try, diba? So, diba, normally, mag-a-apply tayo ng lipstick like this. So, paano siya magmumukhang full lips? So, the first thing that we should do is get the same lipstick. Starting from your cupid's bow. Sorry sa face kong textured. So, ilalampas nyo lang ng konti yung lipstick sa vermilion border. As far as I know, it's vermilion border. So, like this. And then, sa lower part, just do the same. As you can see this line here, ayan, dyan natin ilalagpas yung ating lipstick. Much better if you have lip liner, pero ako wala akong lip liner. So, I'll be using makeup remover to clean the edges. As you can see, diba? Kumapal siya. And para siyang nakalutang. Move on. So guys, we're going to try this. Our next is liquid lipstick. Kasi kanina, diba, bullet na siya yung tinry natin or yung classic lipstick. So we'll be trying this liquid matte lipstick. So just the same process. trying out liquid lipstick, all we need to do now is to wait for it na mag-set at mag-matte. So guys, as you can see, mas madaling i-apply yung liquid lipstick. Kasi meron siyang applicator na maliit lang, unlike sa bullet, di ba? Ang laki. So once it's now set, all you need to do is do your pose.
Perfect na perfect sa full lips. Lips are apart pose. Char.
If you wanna talk, let's talk about the way you left me with a text so cold. Yeah, even though I die to see you, I don't trust myself to meet you, cause we both know that your kiss is a gateway drug. Once you get one, it's never enough. Your kiss.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on my next vlog.
Cause